Dear all, a very warm welcome to the virtual presentation of the 13th edition of Realty Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards 2021 South. With the past 2 years being of immense change and transformation in all segments of real estate, it is time we recognize and encourage the real estate professionals working against all odds and achieving the business goals in spite of the challenges. And to do so, today we bring together the leaders of the realty sector for knowledge sharing discussions and felicitations. I'm Sapna Srivastava, editor Realty Plus, and let's begin the proceedings of the day with the auspicious Ganesh Mantra.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
On that note of positivity, let's take a look at the brief introduction of Realty Plus. Can we have the AV, please?
Some people are born to show the world which path to choose in a crisis. Some brands are born to do the same. And during the times of challenge, the stalwarts of Indian real estate industry have chosen to do just that by showing others the way to finding opportunities even amidst a crisis. By showing the world how to go about delivering on promises even amidst adversity. Success doesn't just happen, it happens by design, by pushing the boundaries, by raising the bar. It's days of creating a vision and nights of bringing it to life, knowing that pictures are worth 1,000 words and every word makes a difference. It's doing the research, trusting your instinct and finishing what you started. For the past 17 years, Realty Plus has been turning obstacles into opportunities, keeping the industry informed on the latest developments. Innovating to inspire debate and discussion. Bringing forth the perspectives of industry leaders. Honoring hard work and achievement. Keeping the industry connected. This is what we are built on. This is what we are building. We are Realty Plus and we lead the way.
So this was a brief snippet of what Realty Plus does and what are our initiatives. To know better about our latest initiatives, do get in touch with Ms. Kripti Kedia, publisher and business head Realty Plus. Let me also take this opportunity to thank our partners of this event, our supporting partner, Colliers, Event Associate, Bhartiya Urban, Sell.do and Totality, Business Media Partner, BW Business World Media Group, Online Media Partner, exchangeformedia.com, and the event is organized by Team Realty Plus. So thank you all. Let me also inform that the event is being live streamed right now on Realty Plus website, that is www.realtyplusmac.com, and Realty Plus Facebook and LinkedIn pages. So let's proceed to the inaugural address of the day by Dr. Anurag Batra, Editor-in-Chief and Chairman, Exchange for Media and BW Business World Group. Let me give a brief introduction of Dr. Anurag Batra. Known as India's media mogul, Dr. Anurag Batra is a serial entrepreneur, a journalist, and an eternal optimist rolled into one. He's a first-generation entrepreneur, and after acquiring the iconic business media and magazine brand Business World, Dr. Batra has expanded BW Business World Media Group into digital events and BW communities. Do we have Dr. Batra with us here? Yeah, he's here. Dr. Batra, I hand it over to you now.
Thank you so much, Sapna. Congratulations to you and Tripti and the entire Realty Plus team for being a catalyst in the real estate domain. And, you know, I think the real estate sector has really been an example of resilience and reinvention, if I had to say. And, you know, clearly the real estate sector has created excellence even in the last 20 months. Today, Realty Plus is doing its Realty Plus Conclave South, and the southern market is a unique market. Again, there are many micro markets between the southern markets. The Bangalore micro market is a market which is a little different than others. There are new cities emerging in southern India, so it's an exciting time for real estate in southern India. Real estate sector, of course, is a sector that in some way leads the sentiment or is impacted by the sentiment. But three positive things have happened in the pandemic. One is the fact that the people who are buying homes, are buying residential, are actual users. So the percentage of money that is coming is mostly 100% money, or whatever timelines have to be met to be paid, the money are being met. So actual users and money in. So that's first. Second is users have saved a lot of money. So they're actually investing in homes. So the residential offtake in the southern India market is very, very robust and continues to grow. Third is, if you look at other sectors of the real estate, the IT and ITS services, the e-commerce services, the services play continues to grow. The number of people continue to get hired. Technology hiring is high, which means the space for commercial spaces will go up. And also the office spaces have to be more like places not just to work, but to interact, to hang out. So the office spaces are being remodeled. The industrial warehousing space has seen a lot of interest with the e-commerce market growing. So clearly, the real estate sector is poised for a recovery that we possibly couldn't have imagined earlier. So I am 100% sure that as we enter 2022, the real estate market will continue to grow in every segment. Retail, now that's a sector that suffered for 15 months. In the last 3-4 months, retail has come back in a big way. While B2C has become big, if you look at the numbers of footfalls and number of actual stores from physical stores, it is a very healthy number and it's a growing number. So clearly the people who are writing the obituary of retail need to wake up and smell the coffee. Even in the US, which is such an advanced e-commerce market, the footfalls in Walmart have been outstanding, right? So clearly retail will also bounce back, and some signs of bouncing back are already visible. So if you look at all the segments of real estate, they're bouncing back. The co-working spaces, the flexi spaces with the hub and spoke model of office, where you need to have distributed office spaces, will also rule the toast. So clearly the real estate market is poised for reinventing itself and growing. So I wish all the players who really lead the real estate market all the best in showcasing resilience and reinvention in the last 19-20 months. And I'm sure that 2022 will be the year of real estate, where the Indian real estate is able to recoup from its losses in the last 2 years. And the players that realize the reality of today and build products that are customer-centric and rightly priced, survive. Not only survive, but thrive. So with this note, I hand it back to you, Sapna, and kudos to you and Tripti and the Realty Plus team. All the best.
Thank you, Dr. Batra, for sharing those positive sentiments. And yes, we all believe that 2022 will be the year for real estate. And, for your best wishes as well. Thank you so much.